Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Citrix cloud services, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the core components of Citrix cloud services. Familiarize yourself with Citrix cloud architecture and its various services. Assess your organization's specific needs and gather requirements. Log in to your Citrix cloud account. Navigate to the Citrix cloud dashboard. Select the specific service you wish to optimize. Review the existing configurations and settings. Identify any current performance bottlenecks or inefficiencies. Utilize monitoring tools to evaluate application performance and resource usage. Analyze user feedback to pinpoint areas requiring improvement. Consider scaling resources based on user demand and application usage. Adjust resource allocation through the Citrix Cloud Management Console. Implement auto-scaling features if available. Optimize network configurations to enhance connectivity and reduce latency. Ensure your access policies and security settings are up to date. Evaluate storage options for performance and redundancy. Make use of Citrix's built-in analytics features for insights on usage patterns. Test changes in a controlled environment before full deployment. Communicate changes and updates to all relevant stakeholders. Collect ongoing feedback after implementing optimizations. Continuously monitor performance and adjust settings as necessary. Stay updated with Citrix's latest features and best practices. Schedule regular reviews to assess the effectiveness of your optimizations. Document all changes for future reference and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.